Hi everyone, if you've been following my Rock-tac-toe design painting series, welcome back. If you are new here, I have been doing the rock designs that my viewers have requested, and today I'll be doing puppies versus kitties. If you would like to learn more about this project, you can watch the project share video, the Rock-tac-toe project share video that I posted on my channel, and you can see how these are packaged and how and the sacks that I use to store them in. All the info is in the description on that video, and in this video I will list the paint pen that I'm using for this design. Now today I'm only going to be using this black Artistro paint pen, and I've shown this in my other videos, but this is what they look like, and I will list those below. This one's pretty simple. I'm a little surprised that somebody requested this one, but you know, that's just okay. So let's get started. We're just gonna do one that looks like a puppy and one that looks like a kitty. Of course, if you watch my project share video, you'll see that I do 10 rocks for this project, but I'm only doing one of each in this video. So first I'm gonna do the kitty, and I've already primed my paint pen. You just shake it about 30 seconds, and then you just prime the tip, and it should be ready. We're just going to draw the eyes. I'm going to make the eyes a little elongated, more so than the puppy. Make sure you can see this. Okay. This is so simple. And I'm going to do a triangle for the nose. And mouth. I'm going to put some little ears up there. And some whiskers. And that's it for the kitty. That's all. So now we're going to do the puppy. Get that out of the way. I'm going to make his eyes a little more round. And I'm already off centered here, but that's okay. If you mess up, you can always save some paint, leftover paint, to correct any mistakes that you make. Oh, and I also forgot to let you know what color paints I use to get this color. I'll go over that in just a minute. So for the nose, I'm going to make a triangle, but I'm going to make it more rounded. And do the same thing with the mouth. Now I'm going to put some dots here instead of whiskers. And now we're going to draw the ears. Now this part can get a little tricky. So and just up overhead like this. And you'll see there I made a mistake. Just gonna go ahead and fix that while I have you on here. So if any of you are curious how I fix mistakes, I'm just gonna use a little bit of this paint here. I didn't let that black fully dry, so I'll have to go back, do another coat. Okay. So after that dries, I will go back and do another coat. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, this one is really simple. This was a popular design at my last show, my craft fair. And so basically I just used white Liquitex paint, and then I used these two browns, and I just mixed them until I achieved this color here. It was a little darker at first, and then I thought it was too dark, so I decided to make it a little lighter, and I just added more white. That's pretty easy. I'm going to go back and try to cover this up now that it's dry. Looks like it might need another coat after it dries. So anyway, that is all you have to do for this design. If you have any questions, please let me know. This will probably be the last rock painting design that I will do, unless someone asks for a different one. And you can see all the designs that I made in my Rock-tac-toe project share video. And thank you all so much for watching.